Does this sound like your blender? This is the Eclipse, one of the quietest blenders in the world, and that's just the beginning. The Eclipse is designed for high-volume locations where excellent blend performance and durability are critical to keeping your business running. Our QuietBlend technology reduces noise with a form-fitted quiet shield and a rear baffle to further minimize sound. With a 3-peak horsepower motor and our patented wave action system, the Eclipse delivers super smooth drinks every time. While our wave action system forces the mixture down into the blade, breaking ice down from a granita texture into a creamy drink profile. Operators can select over 100 pre-programmed cycles or upload custom programs via memory card. This provides consistent results every time while enabling your team to multitask. Alternate languages are available and can be installed via memory card. The simple display with 5 large programmable buttons outlined in white makes it easy to read even in lower light environments. Everything we do at Hamilton Beach Commercial is designed to improve your business, profitability, and customer satisfaction. And we don't stop there. We offer 3 years parts and labor on the unit and a lifetime warranty on the stainless steel blade and the all-metal drive coupling. Our engineers take great pride in building the most durable food service equipment possible. The Eclipse was even designed and tested to prevent moisture ingress, which is known to be one of the more common causes of damage to blenders. And when the quiet shield is open, the motor turns off to further minimize noise, to prevent careless clutch grinding, and to extend the life of the jar. This feature can be disabled, however, the motor will still stop when the jar is removed. At Hamilton Beach Commercial, it's our top priority to keep your equipment up and running, as we know it is vital to your business. Quick and easy cleaning is critical to keeping labor costs down, so we made it easy to clean the Eclipse. Simply pull forward on the quiet shield clips, remove the enclosure and jar pad, clean, replace, and you're done. Don't forget the difference. The average commercial blender, the Eclipse. Now that's good thinking. To find out more about our products, warranties, accessories, and other